Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Easy Craft Videos. I hope all my viewers are fine and enjoy the days of your life. I am back with another beautiful ideas about the garden decorations designs, how to decorate your garden with a beautiful way, flower pot ideas and flower decorated designs, the creativity, the mention ideas, the simple ideas, how to decorate your designs for your garden, for your small garden. I provide you the simple ideas, flower pot ideas that enhance the beauty of your home, that is most essential, that is most creative. I hope you enjoy my videos. The creativity are mentioned on my YouTube videos. Thank you so much guys to watch my designs and flower pot ideas, creative flower pot designs for your garden decors. If you are interested in this type of videos and in this type of collection, then please guys like my YouTube videos, and I hope you enjoy my collections, that is most essentials, that is most creative. I hope you enjoy my video, and I hope you love the designs, and I hope you love the creativity. Flower pot design with the reusable things that you see in this picture. Reusable chairs designs are most trending, are most viral, because chairs and the different other things are available for your home, and you just throw and waste of your place. So if you are creative, then you use the different ideas for your garden decor designs. Thank you so much guys to watching, to like, to share my YouTube channel, and I hope these designs and this creativity are most fabulous and fantastic. Recycle items, that is most effective for your garden decorations. Use the different basket designs, hanging ideas are so creative, and I hope this video is very aesthetic and creative for your uh, beautiful video and beautiful ideas. So guys, thank you so much guys to watch my videos and to like my sharing my videos. If you are interested in this type of collection, then please like, share and comment. Most trending articles for my viewers. If you are new on my YouTube channel, then please like, share and comment most trending articles, most beautiful video, most creative ideas for the designs of creativity, flower spot ideas. So thank you so much guys to watch my videos and to like my video, sharing my YouTube channel with close relative and friends. Keep watching, stay with me.